All right, welcome back. Using the Market Profile Trading Academy again to look at stocks on a macro view. We talked about NVDA when it was running crazy there at the end of 2016, and we took a trade on it where we were short about the 116, 115 area, and we were looking for around 103, 100 to 100, and we traded all the way back down. As you can see here by the fibs, we traded all the way back down to 99.05. And now we're in the middle of a bounce. And I wanted to bring up a macro view of this chart just so people can kind of see what we look at from a market profile standpoint. The value area for the last month is from 101.40 to 109. So today, as we trade 110.45, we have now expanded out of value. I've overlaid a pivot, or rather a Fibonacci retracement. You can see the 50 is right here at 109.51. We paused at that at the close, matter of fact, yesterday, and we have proceeded to move a little higher today. And 111.96, 112 area looks like an area that we're probably going to trade to. Now, how does this all fit into the profile? Well, pretty easily, actually. We obviously know price action from the last month, but if we pull back a little bit further, and this is what I'm going to do next, we're going to see a couple things. Our value for the month right now is 105. So again, we're about $6 over it. There's also an area above us here at 108, and you can see these depicted here in the market profile chart. But we're coming into some areas now that really are going to run into some resistance unless we get some new buyers into the space. And as we pull back further into time, and I'm going to pull back on the time frame here, keeping our initial chart, you're going to begin to see that the value area is actually much further lower. It really goes from 90 all the way down here. So we're looking now at a 30-minute chart that's going back a number of months, and this is all the way back to May. And you can see right here that the value is actually back here at 46. Now, this doesn't mean that I believe it's going to go to 46, but as you look into this area and here, you can see that we're at the top end of a node, a smaller node, these being larger, that probably is going to prevent this from going higher. So the risk is pretty defined in that if you don't believe that, as this chart looks on the market profile like I do, that this probably won't trade over that old high of 120, then any leg into a position here really from 110 up to 117 looks like an area that I would look to get short. And then I would look for a pullback at least again down to this next level, which happens to be about the 93 level. So again, for a swing trader that has some time on their hands and has capital to deploy, this to me, this pocket that we're going to come into right here from 110 up to 117 is the area that I would like to short. We're trading 110.56 right now. And again, I'll be looking for a move back down to 93 on partial. If it can't hold that, it'll go to 88. And if 88, and when 84 breaks, this will go very quickly. You see there's no volume at all. This was a gap up, obviously. Probably it was earnings related mid-November. So at some point when we get back below 84, this will drop 10 points in a heartbeat. It'll probably be the opposite earnings release at that time that drives it. So watch these pockets because these become fast-moving points, and this is what the market profile helps you with when we get to that point, because nothing transacted here. It was all overnight. So that's a real rough idea of how I use the profile to trade and swing trade stocks. Take a look at this chart. I hope you like it. Drop us a note at the Market Profile TradingAcademy.com. We've got trading plans to help you grow your own trading plan on 4 different futures. We do look at stocks. You can use the profile of stocks on different time frames. Happy to help you with a plan in that area. But just give us a call. All the information's on the site. Drop in, give us your email. We'll keep you up on any updated webinars, seminars that we have going on, and we'll see you at the end of the day. Take care.